Okay. Happy New Year 2025. So, meron tayong 12 lucky fruits na sinasabi. Okay? Yung number 1, tingnan natin. Number 1 is the pineapple. The Chinese word for pineapple is onglai. I don't know kung sinasabi ko na onglai, which means fortune cones. Okay, that's the pineapple. The next one is orange. So the orange is considered one of the lucky fruits. In the Chinese tradition, its round shape signifies money. It's money. Number 3 is apples. Apple is the Chinese word for apple is pink. P-I-N-G, pink, pink, which means harmony. And the next one is grapes. Grapes is the Chinese word for grape is what? Do you know it, Francis? So it represents the luxury and traditionally eaten by the royalty people. Wow, social bongga. Alright guys, so represent the royalty. Alright, that's the grapes. And the next one is the banana. But somebody was eating my bananas already. That was a cluster of bananas. Bananas comes in a cluster symbolizing unity. Its yellow color stands for happiness. That's guys, so the banana stands for happiness. And the next one is mango. It's really hard to find a yellow mango here in the US. So this is a Mexican mango. Its sweetness signifies strong family ties. So kailangan talaga may mango kayo kasi mag-strong. Ano daw strongest? I don't know. It signifies strong family pala. And the next one is lemon. Guys, I do have lemons. So lemon is fragrance and essence is known to cleanse and remove negative vibes. So kailangan pala meron kayong lemon kasi makapang-alis na mga negative vibes. Alright, the next one is everybody's favorite one is watermelon during summertime. So watermelon symbolizes prosperity and its many seeds stands for abundance. Wow. Oh my goodness, kailangan kainin na natin to. So that we have abundance. Go na. Then the next one is papaya. Let's do the papaya. So guys, the papaya similar to the orange. It represents gold in Chinese tradition. Okay, so this is represent the gold. Oh guys, you better have papaya in your house during Christmas. New Year, because it signifies gold. Wow. And the next one is, how do you see it? Lychee, whatever. But I don't have because it's seasonal fruit, so we don't have it here in the US where, ito yung sinasabi na it's round red body. Oh, see, I thought it's not the one. So this is, I got the right one, lychee, but in can. So anyways, the lychee is its round red body stands for, hala guys, happiness and good fortune. Kailangan pala nyo ng, kung wala kayong happiness sa life nyo, so kailangan kumain na kayo ng lychee or you have lychees during New Year's because it signifies happiness, and we always like good fortune. There you have it. The 11th one is very popular in the Philippines. Avocado. So avocado it's color green and purple. So it's now purple because it's already ripe. Pero it is green. So they're all ripe already. So it symbolizes prosperity. Okay, the avocado signifies prosperity. Alright, and the last one is called Pumilo. Pumilo. What do you call this one in our dialect? Pumilo is
Baongon.
buungon.
Baongon.
Baongon sa inyo, amo buungon. So I grew up with buungon because my grandma has a tree in their backyard. So I'm always go there and get some. My favorite buongon or pumelo is the 12 lucky fruits of the year. So guys, what is the pumelo? Symbolizes it either red or pink pulp. It represent good health. So kailangan natin ang good health. So ito lahat ang mga lucky fruits of the year every year. So guys, they said it's 13 but it's only 12 because it represents the month of the year. So that's why it's lucky 12 fruits. Alright, thank you for watching. Okay guys, don't forget to like, view, and subscribe and share my probinsya ng Lakwat Sera. Thank you so much for watching. Salamat, maraming salamat po and Happy New Year! Manigong bagong taon 2025. Thanks again! Ayan.